Whatever drone you fly, the Mavic series, the Avata, the Mini series, this tip now will make you a better drone pilot. So this tip relates into where you're going to be standing. Now, I have learned this over the last few years, and a massive difference it makes in your content because of one thing: distractions. So if you're going to be filming and flying one of these drones, these are huge attractions to everybody else. The equivalent of flying one of these drones on a beach is like the equivalent of Pamela Anderson running down the beach in Baywatch. Everybody is going to be drawn to the attention of these drones. So let's just say you're on the beach and you're just lying on your towel on the sand, and you get your drone out and you go off flying it, and you're like this. Everybody is going to be going, oh, look at that, there's a drone over there, look at that guy's flying a drone, look at him. And you're going to get loads of people coming up to you, absolutely guaranteed, saying, oh, is that the new Mini 3, mate? Or is that the new Mavic? Oh, that's brilliant, that. Oh, I've heard about one of them. How far do they fly? Oh, can I ever go? You're going to be constantly distracted. And it doesn't matter where you fly. This could be in a park, this could be in a city, beaches, anywhere. I have learnt the mistakes of flying in a built-up area with lots of public around you. So to combat that, what I do, if I'm on a beach, I am nowhere to be seen. So I am right at the very far end of the sand where nobody else is. I am up at the top of the sand dunes. I'm like nestled in the trees away. You will not see me. But then I'm on my own. I can concentrate 100% on getting this footage. I can do all these gimbal moves. I have no distractions. I am completely focused on this controller and this drone, looking at it, getting the best possible footage, not thinking, oh, that guy's coming up to me, or yeah, mate, yeah, within a minute, I'm just flying, yeah, it is a Mini 3, yeah. And I don't mean to be like off, I'm just really trying to concentrate with this. Now, I don't also want to be that guy who goes to the beach wearing a big high vis saying drone pilot. I don't want to do that, so I'm just away. You will not find me. Same if I'm in a park or a city area. I'm going to be somewhere where nobody else is. The least distractions means the best possible footage. So if you're going to go and fly your drones, just do this. Don't go in the really busy areas. Or if it is really busy, don't be flying your drone in that area. Just walk 5 or 10 minutes away from everybody else. So in this shot now, it's a really good beach area, fantastic landscape, but look how busy it is, and I am nowhere to be found. So I'm about 300 meters away on these rocks. So on my own, no distractions, and I can now get that content. I'm flying the Mavic 3, so it's loud. People are going to hear this, but they're not going to be able to see the drone pilots. And this is the difference. So they're not going to come over and distracting me going, oh, what's the range on that drone, mate? It's about getting embedded in this, concentrate, and you'll get such better video and photos. It's just about going off the beaten path a little bit. Go where people aren't sat or stood. Less distractions, better content. And a louder the drone, so the Mini series, it's not that loud. So once you get this drone in the air, you know, it's not going to be that obvious. But just by taking this off, for instance, at a beach, everyone's going to see and hear it, and you're going to get swamped. Filming with drones like the Mavic or the Avata, which are much louder, you're going to get so many distractions. So a personal tip that I've found over the last few years, this works and it just makes your content so much better. So any video you've seen of mine where it's decent cinematic content, I'm stealth. That's what I want you to do. So go and get some fantastic content. Be now a drone stealth pilot and see how you get on. You'll absolutely smash it. So if you enjoyed this quick tip, make sure you like and subscribe. Loads of content coming soon, exciting stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.